In the 19th century, the first weather forecast was made using nothing but barometers, thermometers, and basic observation. Fast forward to today, we use massive amounts of data collected from satellites, weather stations, and sensors worldwide. By analyzing all this information, meteorologists can predict storms, natural disasters, and even the temperature weeks in advance. The same type of data-driven analysis is happening in businesses everywhere. The key difference is you don't need a supercomputer. Tools like data analytics and Power BI are here to help you harness the power of data, no matter your business size or industry. So, what exactly is data analytics and Power BI? And how these tools can transform the way businesses, from small enterprises to huge giants, make decisions? So let's dive in. Power BI is a powerful tool from Microsoft that helps you visualize and share insights from your data. It turns complex numbers into simple visuals. The 5 major functions of Power BI are: create stunning charts and graphs to spot trends easily, clean and prepare your data to ensure accuracy, monitor your data as it happens, giving you the edge over competitors, share insights with your team instantly for informed decision-making, access your reports anywhere, anytime, perfect for on-the-go business owners. Now let's clarify the difference. Power BI is a tool for data visualization, while data refers to the raw information that is collected. Analytics is the process of examining that data to uncover insights. So why should businesses use Power BI? Small enterprises can easily track performance and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. Large corporations can integrate vast amounts of data to optimize operations and identify market trends. From local stores to multinational corporations, Power BI and data analytics empower businesses to thrive. Ready to turn your data into actionable insights? Start harnessing the potential of data with Power BI today. Visit our website for free guides, tutorials, and tips to help you make smarter decisions for your business. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights and share your success stories with us. Let's turn your data into sweet success.